Ready to transform your meta ads data into stunning visuals and unlock hidden marketing insights? Let's jump right in. First, head over to Looker Studio and click on the Create button in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Report to start a new blank report. Now, in the Connect to Data panel, use the search bar to find the Meta Ads connector. Click on the Meta Ads connector to begin the authentication process. You'll be prompted to authorize Looker Studio to access your Meta Ads account. Make sure to grant all the necessary permissions for the connector to pull in your data. Next, select the specific Meta Ads account and any relevant ad accounts you want to include in your report from the drop-down menus provided. Once you've selected your accounts, click the Add button in the bottom right corner. This will connect your Meta Ads data to your Looker Studio report. Looker Studio will automatically create a basic table populated with your Meta Ads data. Now, the real fun begins. Use the toolbar to explore different chart types and visualizations to represent your data in meaningful ways. Experiment with metrics and dimensions to uncover key trends and insights. Customize your dashboard to track your most important KPIs, analyze campaign performance, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your Meta Ads strategy. You're now ready to create amazing reports. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more data insights.